because today we're gonna be having a mukbang feast.
Whoa! Wait, what's a mukbang?
That's when you order over 100 items off the menu, and you eat all of it in one sitting.
That sounds intense. I'm so hungry, though. I bet I could do it.
Yeah, Zoe, this is gonna be so fun! Come on, Zoe, let's get a table. Hey, how about this booth right here? It's got a nice big table for our giant mukbang feast.
Welcome to the Mukbang Corner. I'm Amy, and I'll be your server today. Here are your menus.
Whoa, look, Snowy, there's a ramen menu, snacks, drinks, dessert, and a mukbang menu. Oh my gosh, look at all this fried chicken. Guys, do you see anything that you would order off this menu? Hit the like button right now if you would eat here with us.
Yeah, guys, anyone that hits the like button gets to eat some of this food with us.
Okay, I definitely have to try the Flamin Hot chicken.